These are the Bessey Super Nibblers. Just like any other metal nibbler, it features a handle on one end and a die cutter on the other. So what makes these super? To answer that question, we'll have to take a look at a pair of conventional nibblers, like this one from Klein. The first thing you'll notice is size. The Besseys are much bigger and have longer handles, which provide more mechanical advantage. The next thing you'll notice is the orientation to the sheet metal. Besseys are positioned like a pair of shears, which is more intuitive. Conventional nibblers require you to hold it perpendicular to and below the sheet metal, which is a bit awkward if you're not used to it. A conventional nibbler cuts from the top down, so bits fall under the cutter and out the side of the body here. The Bessey cuts from the bottom up, so they've provided a shield to protect you from flying debris. Taking a closer look at the cutter, you'll notice the die action looks more like a pair of snips than that of a conventional nibbler. A conventional nibbler takes a full bite all at once. This requires more strength and wears out the cutter faster. The Bessey takes the bite gradually, more like a pair of snips would, which requires less hand strength and puts less stress on the cutting head. This also enables the nibbler to tackle thicker gauges. A secondary result of this unique nibbling action is the way it sheds material in higher gauges, especially in the stainless steel. Rather than taking bits all at once, the snips type action sheds material like a double shear. The material is removed in a continuous ribbon rather than in little bites. This not only minimizes the mess, but is also very helpful in keeping the nibbler on track. It also inherently removes less material per bite. So, should you buy this over a conventional nibbler? Well, it depends on what you're going to do with it. If you need to cut out large notches or holes from sheet metal too small for a shear, then yes. If you need to cut through material rather than around it, then you may still be better off with a conventional one. The only way to really know is to try it out. One thing you can be sure of is Bessey's quality.